In a coordinated strike against the illegal sale of distribution of spurious alcohol, teams from the West Agartala Police Station and the Battala Police Outpost launched a massive joint enforcement drive in the bustling Battala market area. The West PS OC Rana Chattarjee briefed the media on this issue.
Acting on precise intelligence reports concerning the rampant sale of unauthorized local liquor and related public disturbances, a heavy contingent of police personnel cordoned off core zones inside Battala. The joint team carried out simultaneous searches at suspected illegal distribution points and counter liquor bans. During the extensive drive, law enforcement units seized significant quantities of illicit local liquor, manufacturing apparatus, and unauthorized commercial stocks. Operators of several makeshift stands fled the scene upon noticing the police arrival, while multiple individuals running these illegal joints were detained for questioning.
আমাদের এই জায়গাতে আমাদের কাছে ইনফরমেশন থাকে যে কোনো ধরনের আপনার ডেভেলপিং হচ্ছে অ্যালকোহলে এইসব জায়গাতে আমরা প্রতিনিয়ত রেড করে থাকি যে রুটিন এরকম চলছে আজকে আমরা বর্তমানে করছি এবং কিছু সংখ্যক লোককে আমরা এখানে অ্যারেস্টও করেছি কতজনকে ডিটেইন করেছি চারজন
Senior police officials leading the operation confirmed that similar joint crackdowns will be systematically scaled up across vulnerable spots in Agartala. Reporter Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.